In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this internet millionaire wants to give you his money-making website, the same website that's made him a millionaire, for free, just to prove this online money-making system really works. But before I introduce you to this millionaire, I want to show you the results from a few people that got their own copy of this same money-making website. This is Bernard. He was able to earn $310 in the first 72 hours after he got started. And Cynthia was able to use this website to fire her boss. Isn't that exciting? Would you like to get a copy of the same website as well? Then let me introduce you to the creator of the Plug-in Profit system, Stone Evans.
Let me ask you a question. Are you trying to start an online business? If so, let me know if this sounds like you. You want to make money online, but you keep getting caught up in all of the technical stuff that goes along with starting an online business. HTML, CSS, FTP, PHP, and a dozen other things you have to know to get a website online and making you money, right? Or do you finally feel like you've got things figured out, and as you are about to move forward on your dreams, you get another email from another guru telling you about the new shiny object of the day, and your plans that you felt so confident about just minutes earlier fall to the ground as you reluctantly turn your back on your plan and start moving towards the next new thing. If that sounds like you, then don't worry. I can help. Hi, my name is Stone Evans, and don't worry, I'm not here to sell you anything. In fact, I'm going to personally build you a money-making website, the same website that's made me a millionaire, for free. And this isn't any ordinary website. While it won't make sense to you yet, I actually get 5 big checks each month because of this website. Each of these monthly checks is bigger than what I used to get when I was a washed-up restaurant worker. And so, as my gift to you, I'm going to custom build you this turnkey website so you can start getting the same 5 checks that I get each month. And once again, I'm going to build this for you for free. That's right, you can put your wallet away because I'm not like other gurus. I don't want to be. You see, my story is probably a lot like yours. A few years ago, I was working at a sandwich shop in Dallas, Texas, trying to provide a living for my wife and children. But there was a problem. I was in debt up to my eyeballs, my house was falling apart, and I had not been on vacation in over 8 years. As the man of the house, I would stay up at nights with a sick feeling in my stomach, knowing that I was supposed to be doing more for my family. I was so tired and I wanted to fall asleep, but the feeling in my gut and the guilt in my mind wouldn't allow me to rest. I kept wondering if there was a way out, or if I was going to be trapped in this rat race for the rest of my life. Each morning as I left for work and I saw the look in my kids' eyes, I felt like I was failing them. That's when I knew something had to change, but I didn't know what or how. Then one day I picked up a book called Multiple Streams of Income by Robert Allen. I'm not sure about you, but that sounded great to me. I only had one stream of income from the sandwich shop, and I really wanted a few more. The book talked about getting money from your own businesses, the stock market, real estate, and the internet. Now I'm not sure about you, but none of those sounded like something I wanted to do, except making money from the internet. I love the idea of laying in bed with my laptop, making money without having a boss. So I decided to look online for an opportunity, some way that I could get a new stream of income for my family. So each night, after I got home from work, after my wife and kids would go to sleep, I would get online and explore different ways of using the internet to make money. I quickly found that there was definitely no short supply of opportunities. I started getting dozens of emails a day from someone showing me a proven way to get rich quick on the internet. I joined many of them and actually maxed out multiple credit cards, going over $10,000 into debt. I tried buying ebooks, membership sites, and about everything else that any guru recommended to me. I stayed up learning and working and drinking coffee until 5 in the morning, month after month. I was filled with hope, so much so that some nights I went the whole night without any sleep, and I go back to work the next morning without any rest whatsoever. I was so exhausted, but I began making progress. Soon, a few sales started trickling in. Then I started getting commission checks in my mailbox each month for products I had promoted as an affiliate. It wasn't enough to retire on yet, but it proved to me that I was on the right track and that it really is possible to make a living on the internet. For me, it didn't happen overnight though, but it did happen. Each month my commission checks grew, and by my third year online, I had made over $100,000 in just 12 months. And that, for me, was true freedom. That gave me the ability to finally walk away from the restaurant and start life over on my own terms. Can you imagine that feeling? For the first time in my life, I didn't have to wake up to an alarm clock. I didn't have to ask someone if I could go home at night. I was finally free. So why did I tell you that story? I'm not doing this to try to make a name for myself as some internet marketing guru. I don't have any ebooks, courses, or membership sites to sell you. The truth is, the only reason I'm showing you this is because I know that if you don't trust me, then you probably won't take advantage of what I'm about to offer you. And then we both lose. So now that you know I really can help you make money online, let's get right down to business. And don't worry, I'm not going to ask you for a dime. What I am going to do is, first, explain why I'm willing to help a total stranger like you for free. Second, tell you in very clear terms exactly what I'm offering you with no hype. Third, I'll get started building your new website for you for free, and what's really cool is that you can get started right now, even if it's 2 a.m. in the morning. Sound good? So here's the deal. I work from home now, and I absolutely love the freedom to set my own hours and do what I want. Trust me when I say that life doesn't get any better than this. Now, this freedom came to me almost immediately after I set up a very simple website. Some have even said it's deceptively simple. And this website has made me a millionaire. Let me show you how it works. This website promotes 5 programs that I really believe in, and I'm an affiliate for each of them. So when someone sees them on my website and decides to sign up for any of them, then I get paid a huge commission check. But these aren't normal commissions. Each of these 5 programs pays out residual commissions, meaning that I get those commissions every month for as long as they remain a member. Isn't that awesome? But what's even better is because I'm just an affiliate, I don't even have to talk to customers, do support, or anything else. And the checks keep coming. Now this website gave me the lifestyle of my dreams. And after I had experienced what freedom can be like, I wanted the same thing for my family and friends as well. But I wasn't sure how to give them the same success I was having, unless they just copied exactly what I was doing. And that's when it hit me. Each of the 5 programs that I was promoting would actually pay me commissions when I referred other people to them and helped those people make sales. That means I could tell my family and friends about them, and when they sold anything, then I would get a commission as well. And that's when the light bulb went off. Instead of teaching them how to do this, I thought, why don't I just give them my best-selling website that is already proven to convert visitors into profits? Have them join the same 5 programs that made me a millionaire. And when they make sales, we both make money. That is when the Plug-in Profit site was born. Now, over the past several years, I've been creating websites like this for people who want to get started online. And the results have been amazing. Look at a few of the people who made their first sale using their website. This first one is from Mal Keenan in Ireland, who said, I had been working online for over 5 years and getting nowhere fast until I discovered this amazing offer to make money online. Within 9 months of signing up, I was making a full-time income from home. I'm already making over $4,000 every month with this system, and I'm still just getting started. The next one is from John Benjamin. He said, after 8 years of unsuccessful attempts to make money online, I finally received my first check for $310 from one of the opportunities in the Plug-in Profit site. If you really want to make it to the top, I suggest you leave all you're doing and follow Stone Evans. Roy Phelps said, I think this is the best site that I've been on with the best support I've ever had, and the training that you get is #1. I wish I would have had this training years ago. I even made some money before I had been in a month. I recommend this site above all others. And I have hundreds of others just like these. In fact, many of the internet marketing gurus of today got their start with my Plug-in Profit site. Just look at what famous online marketer Russell Brunson said. When I first got started online, one of the first programs I ever made money with was a site called the PlugIn Profit site. I signed up not knowing anything, and within a few weeks I started getting not one, not two, but 5 checks each month from my PlugIn Profit site. It was crazy for me and my wife. Now I don't show you this to brag, but I did show it to you because this is the gift that I want to give to you. This website will likely be the turning point in your online career. If you've struggled in the past, then I'm here to help. Let me explain to you how it's going to work. First, you need to create a free account below. After you create your account, I'm going to have you sign up for 5 affiliate programs. Yes, these are the same 5 programs that send me checks every month. Now I do want to mention that you don't have to join all 5 of them, but I highly recommend that you do. If you can't join one, then your sponsor's ID will be put into your website and your email follow-up campaign, and they'll get the commissions when people sign up for those programs. So if you can afford to do all 5, then I strongly recommend doing it so you can earn the most money possible from your website. Each of these programs was picked for a purpose, and they are very powerful and pay out huge commissions. Yeah, there are hundreds of programs out there that look good, but I've been online long enough now to test most of them, and they just don't work nearly as well as these 5 programs. So right now, you've only got 2 real options. Option number 1 is you can build your own money-making website yourself, slowly, designing the site, hiring programmers and webmasters to set it up for you, and then spend thousands of dollars on pay-per-click testing and tweaking and fixing until you can finally get your website to actually convert visitors into profits. And this is a totally respectable option. It's just not for everyone, which is why I created the PlugIn Profit site. This option takes all of the hard work and frustration off your plate and puts it onto mine. Option number 2 is the Done For You option. That's what I'm offering here, only on this page, and only while I'm still crazy enough to build other people's websites for free. My wife still can't figure out why I'm not charging people for this. So here's the deal. If you take me up on this Done For You option, you can simply leave it all to me, the guy who knows this game the best, and how to make everything work effortlessly. Have me do it all for you, so you can simply get out there and start promoting your website today. In my opinion, this isn't just a time saver, it's a lifesaver. Your website is far too important to figure out through your own trial and error. Heck, it took me over 3 years before I had it tested and tweaked just right. But now, it's all ready for you on a silver platter, so you can avoid the design costs, the programming costs, all the late nights, headaches, and aggravation, because I'm going to do all this work for you, for free. Does that sound affordable to you? You see, you're on my team now, and I need you to succeed. My success comes when you have cash in your hand and a smile on your face. And to prove that, I'm going to throw in a few bonuses for you when you create your account down below. Bonus number 1, I'm going to give you my proven 30 Days to Success guide that will show you how to get an unlimited flow of targeted traffic to your website. Each day, read the next chapter, follow the instructions, and within 30 days, your site will be getting consistent traffic using the exact same online marketing strategies I've used to become an internet millionaire. Bonus number 2, I'll give you my 100% free website traffic generating system that drives an army of cash-in-hand prospects to your site automatically, so you can profit online without spending a dime. I still can't believe I'm going to give you that one for free. Bonus number 3, I'm going to actually give you a list of 3,000 real human subscribers that you can contact immediately to promote any product or program you want. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you 47 newbie internet marketing training videos that will walk you step by step through the process of what you need to know to have success online. Bonus number 5, I'll give you 25 free lifetime links pointing to your site. These links will help you get your new website ranked in Google. Bonus number 6, I'll give you my easy step-by-step traffic system that takes less than 10 minutes to set up and will instantly start sending visitors to your new website for free. Bonus number 7, I'll give you access to the members-only PlugIn Profit Site community support and discussion forum, so you can meet other PlugIn Profit Site members and learn how they are having success. Bonus number 8, I'll give you free branding rights to my ebook .comology. This book will promote your affiliate links for the 5 money-making programs in the Plug-in Profit Site system. So just give it away and watch as the checks start coming in. Bonus number 9. I'll give you my $1 million solo ad Rolodex with dozens of places that you can immediately send out emails to promote your new website. And bonus number 10, and I think this one is the most important. I'll give you the ability to give away Plug-in Profit sites for free. And when anyone you give one of these websites away to signs up, I'll put them under you in these 5 money-making programs. Doesn't that sound cool? Trust me, it is. In fact, many Plug-in Profit site members make a full-time income just by giving away these websites. Look, if you can't tell, I really want you to be successful online. Maybe even more than you do. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. Likewise, I can lead you to the success and freedom that you've been dreaming of, but I can't make you take action. All you need to do to get started is create your free account below. After you create your account, then you'll be able to sign up for the 5 programs I talked about earlier. And after that, it all begins. I'll manually start building your website for you. You'll get access to all of the bonuses and training that other people would have charged you hundreds of dollars for, but you get them from me for free. And in a few days, after your website is complete, then you'll be able to start life on your own terms and set your own rules. And I promise you, as someone who's been on both sides, it's much better over here. This is your invitation to join me. So right now, you'll do one of 2 things. You either trust your gut and say yes, or you'll hesitate, do nothing, and miss this limited opportunity. I believe that within a few short months from now, a year from now, and for the rest of your life, you'll look back on this moment as the instant in which your life changed forever, but only if you make the decision to create your free account now. Fill out the form before this limited opportunity vanishes forever. So, what are you waiting for? There's nothing to worry about. It's 100% risk-free. Come on, let's get you started.